Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So the day of MBA interview is now here. I'm ready with all my documents. I'm a little bit nervous, but yeah, it's common. Let's see how it goes. Everything. I am here at Jamia gate number 8. Beautiful campus, beautiful. Yeah, so I have completed my group discussion and interview, and right now I'm sitting in between the nature of Jamia Millia Islamia. I am outside one of the canteen here. So what is my experience today? So it was a roller coaster ride for me, to be honest, and I don't know how to say about the experience that I got here. So firstly, the first part was, as you have seen it earlier in the video, that the first step was document verification. So the reporting time was 9:30, but they made me sit around 6 hours and just for document verification for about 6 hours. Yeah, right. The reporting time was 9:30 and they verify my documents all at 3 p.m. That was really weird. I don't know what to say about it. But the next step was GD. So group discussion went really well. I must say that it was good. The panelists were very motivating and they were really good, and they also telling people what to do and how you can improve your GD as well. So that was really nice behavior from them. Now rain has already started here, and my GD topic was it was about, let me just give you a proper clarity what it was about. I think it was about more of a profile based thing. Let me just clear you. It was about purpose driven branding influence buying behavior, which was purpose driven branding influence buying behavior. So that was a very good topic. I put some solid points there, and teacher seems very happy for me as well. And the next thing was the interview. So after completion of GD, which went really good, the interview panel was on a moderate side, and they were really intriguing me, and I don't know what to say about it, but they were asking very weird questions from me as well. So I have told them that I have done dropshipping in my past. So they were really talking about dropshipping very much. I already knew that they want to ask me some about dropshipping as well. But the thing, they've asked me that why you were doing dropshipping. It is the only thing that all people do. So that is not new to me at all. I was like, I know that everyone does dropshipping, but the point is that no one can make 50,000 in just 1 month from dropshipping. That is the point I put. Then after that, they start questioning and pointing out each and everything on me. They were asking that how you have done publicity and promotion there. So I have answered them honestly that this is how I use Facebook ad, Meta ads, and anything more. So they were like, okay, what is the difference between promotion and publicity? Then I gave the proper definition. Then after just 1 second, they asked me that that means you were saying that publicity is not important than promotion. I was like, no ma'am, I didn't say it at all. I was just reminding you to that it is correlated, and promotion and publicity is just correlated thing. You always need both the sides. So they were like, okay. Then he was like, what is your next plan after MBA? Why you are doing MBA? And then I answered very honestly. He was like, what is your forte? Why are you doing dropshipping? So dropshipping is your forte. Then what will be your future? What will be your future goal? Whether you will pursue dropshipping in future or e-commerce, or you will go for finance or marketing. I was like, I'll do both of them. I'll be happy to do finance because I'm into finance. So he was like, okay. Then he said for 10 seconds and he was like, okay, go. So that was all from my interview experience. I don't know what to say about it. It was just in between good and bad. And I didn't expect them to be this much harsh on me, to be honest. But yeah, it is what it is. So that was all from Jamia Millia Islamia. You have seen it everything, and I've documented each and everything from my interview experience. Thank you so much for watching, and whoever will be going in Jamia Millia Islamia, then all the very best to you who are giving interview in next 2 days. All the very best to you, and just keep these things in mind that this will be your interview experience as well. And if anything other than that, then please let me know. Thank you so much for being in this video, and I'll let you what my results are. Thank you.